after putting this, what is the water get? Water get impure, dirty, all the impurity get mixed in this. Okay, after the 10 to 15 minutes, whichever the impurity is there, it will get settled down at the bottom of this beaker. So we have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes so the impurity will settle down. When the impurity will settle down, you are able to see the sedimentation process, and whichever the upper side of water is present, that is called the detentation. See, you have seen this beaker also. So in the bottom of this beaker, all the impurity get settled down. Okay, so now what I will do, I will pour this upside water downward. Okay. See, all the impurity is settled down. So this is the sedimentation process. This is the sedimentation. And whichever the water is I have poured now, that is the detentation. Okay, detentation process. Now this water can be filtered again by using the filter paper. Okay, just I am taking one conical flask and I am keeping the filter paper here. This is the filter paper. Okay, due to this filter paper, whichever the floating impurities will be there, it will purify them. See, I am pouring this water. This is the detentation. Detentation water is poured here. Already it is mentioned. Detentation water is poured in the next beaker. Okay, in this beaker we have used, in this conical flask we have used the filter paper to purify this. By using the filter paper, what will happen? The color of this water will get again changed. If you have seen, yes, it is in a white in color, and all the impurity will be settled down at the filter paper. So these are the methods how to purify the impure water into the pure form.
Smiling faces, passionate souls, that's what we are. Yes, we are Buddha.
Slowly I have to pour the water in the conical flask. Otherwise what will happen? If you will pour more water, then it will be fall down. Okay, if it will be overflow, then all the impure water will be fallen down. So this is the process of the filtration. See the color of this water completely get changed. Yes, it is get changed or not? It is visible?
Yes.
And previously we have seen the detentation. That time the water color is a reddish brown. Yes? Yes? Yes or no? But by using the filter paper, all the impurities will collected on this filter paper. See, I will show you which type of impurities are there on the filter paper. This types of impurities, it will be settled down in the filter paper.
This mud in this beaker and stir it. We have to place this water to 15 to 20 minutes. The mud will place downside of the beaker. Then this water we will store in this beaker. All these impurities will store in this downside of the beaker, and this process is called decantation.
This process is called detentation. So this water is called detentation. So we will filter it by filter paper, so it will be cleaned. We have to place water into the throne, so it will be cleaned.